Okay, these are the quarters from Grandma. Put it in the bank. Here you go. Here, buddy. Look. Look right there. Put it in there. Look. Right there. Can you put it in there? Put it in there. Yay! High five! Oh, you see the other quarters. Can you put it in there? Yay! Yeah. Another one? Okay. Say thanks, Grandma. Yay! High five. Yeah. Double. Yes. Down low. Alright. One more. Unless Mom goes get more. Okay, there's one. Another one from Grandma. Yay! Another high five. Yeah! She's getting more.